Alright, how's it going today, guys? I'll let you guess what that stands for. Street and Racing Technology. Here it is, 2018 Dodge Durango SRT. I am absolutely in love with this vehicle. So happy with it. Yeah, I had some issues. Actually, this is not the first video I made. The first video I made was about, 3 days ago when I first picked it up off the lot. Really bad case, or, with the dealership and all that, but that's all behind me now, so that's, what this vehicle makes up for it. I don't even know where to start. I'm very happy with it. I almost put 1,000 kilometers on it already. So I love the Brembos. I've opted for granite crystal for paint. I got the multi-spoke SRT rims. You'll have to bear with me. I'm super tired. I'm really busy with business right now. Just like I said, just loving this thing, man. So happy with it. I'm very happy that I got an SRT product, and it does not disappoint. This thing blows my RT out of the water. It just, even modified with the long tubes and the tune, there's just no freaking comparison with this SRT tuned all-wheel drive, SRT tuned 8-speed, SRT 392. This thing just kicks the living shit out of my RT, and it's more usable than the RT, so super happy with the purchase. Super happy. SRT. I did opt for the V trailer tow package. I haven't towed it with it yet, but I plan on to if I had to, so we'll see what happens there. Like I said, I got the multi-spoke rims, loving the color. It's the best color. And now we'll go on the inside. Inside I opted for the Laguna leather in demonic red. I love it. And then I got the SRT interior package, which includes these fiber carbon trims. Everything is, the whole dash is leather wrapped. And there you go, some more carbon fiber, sport pedals, SRT. Yeah. I am absolutely, you know what? When I first started test driving Challengers, 14s, and newer, I've always loved the SRT. I love the gauges in the Durango. We'll go ahead here. Durango SRT. I love the gauges. I love the ride height. I love the visibility out of this thing way more than a Challenger. I don't listen to that kind of music. I don't know who did that. Anyways, it's really hot here today. I've got the vinyl suede. There's my bighorn. Yeah, really happy. Hopefully not make this video too long, because I know my internet's kind of crappy. So, yeah, I'm going to talk about quickly about I love this right here, SRT button. And you can make this thing a daily driver. It defaults to this auto, which puts everything on street. It's very mild. You could even, what I want to call it, you can even really grandma mode it and put it into eco, and it makes this thing shift like a normal. It almost feels like the stock Rams with the 8-speed. And then my favorite mode, or what I usually drive with it, is sport. Well, I don't like it all the time, but track is friggin' brutal. The way this thing shifts in the throttle response, it kills traction control. And that vehicle's not running. I know some guys freak out. It's always like that, even my Rams. So, track mode's brutal. It's not like I would consider, like I'd never put it on track mode and then go on a road trip, but it's when you want to have that full potential. I mean, track mode, the friggin' shifts are so brutal in this thing. It snaps your head back into the seat every time. It's so brutal, so violent. It's awesome. So, I usually like to keep it on sport, auto. See, and this is the key. This is really what really wanted me to get the SRT. Sorry, guys, I'm so excited. I just got done driving this thing. Snow mode, and I can drive this thing here in Canada. And I put some snow tires on it, and I can drive it all year around. No winter storage. And then there's tow mode. I haven't used either of those yet. But anyways, guys, so happy. And then let's pop the hood here, and we can take a look at that beautiful 392. Actually, gonna just turn that off. Hopefully this video's not too long. Oh, it will be. It's already almost 5 minutes long. And of course now I can't open the hood, making me look bad. You'll just have to bear with me here. Oh, this is not even funny. I did this perfectly last time. Okay, sorry about that. So 392, but of course the way the deal happened when I was up there was very rushed. It was like literally just pull off the truck, give it to me. I don't care. I don't want you touching it. So speaking of that, I'm actually taking this to a professional place here in London, Ontario. Can't remember the name. It's in London, and they specialize in automotive detailing. And while they're at it, I'm going to get them to do the window tint. And this is the only shitty part is, of course, brand new, off the lot. What do you know? I take it home. 20 miles down the road, there's a fucking dump truck in front of me, and he throws that fucker at me and dents my brand new fucking SRT. So I'm going to have them fix that, and then we're going to do a full ceramic coating and get the windows tinted. And yeah, there is one thing though I am not super happy about. Well, I am. It is loud at wide open throttle, but it's not that noisy. So we're going to fire it up. I mean, it sounds good for stock, don't get me wrong, but I would definitely like a Borla, like a S-type upgrade down the road. So anyways, guys, that's it. Take care.